In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a GitHub Personal Access Token. This process is essential if you want to improve your workflow by using GitHub's API or integrate it with various tools. Whether you're a developer or just getting started, understanding how to generate a token will help you automate tasks and manage your projects more efficiently. To begin, you'll want to navigate to GitHub and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your personal settings page where you can adjust various aspects of your GitHub account. Next, on the left-hand side, scroll down until you see the Developer Settings option. Click on it to proceed. This section is where you can manage your OAuth apps and personal access tokens, among other things. Once you're in the developer settings, find and click on Personal Access Tokens. This will bring you to the page where you can view and manage your tokens. You'll notice a button labeled Tokens, Classic. Click on this option. Now to create a new token, locate the Generate New Token drop-down button at the top right of the page. Click on it and then select Generate New Token, Classic. This will open a new page where you can configure your token's settings. Here, you'll want to start by configuring your parameters. First, type in a recognizable name or description for the token. This is important because it helps you remember the token's purpose later on, especially if you create multiple tokens for different projects or integrations. Next, set an expiration date for your token. GitHub allows you to choose the expiration window that suits your needs, ranging from 30 days to 90 days, or even custom durations. Selecting an expiration date is crucial for maintaining security, as it ensures tokens are not left active indefinitely, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Moving on, you'll need to select the scopes for your token. Scopes determine what actions your token can perform. You'll see a list of checkboxes representing different access levels. If you're planning to use this token for general command line operations, you'll likely want to check the repo checkbox. This grants full read and write access to both your private and public repositories. Be cautious with the scopes you select, as they dictate the level of access that the token will have. Once you've configured all the parameters to your satisfaction, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Generate Token. GitHub will then create your personal access token. It's important to note that this token will only be displayed once, so make sure to copy it immediately and store it securely. You can use a password manager or any secure storage method you prefer. Remember, anyone with access to this token can perform actions on your GitHub account based on the scopes you selected, so keep it safe. And there you have it. You've successfully created a GitHub Personal Access Token. This token can now be used to authenticate API requests or integrate with other tools and services that support GitHub. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your GitHub tasks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.